Hey, this is Sam Jackson with Heartland Turf and Landscape, and I just got done checking out a client's property. It was someone who called us because they're having a real bad problem controlling the weeds in their lawn, and it got me thinking that this was something, a tip that I can definitely pass on that's easy to implement. So a lot of people don't underestimate the importance of proper mowing in the overall health of your lawn. This person's lawn who I looked at was mowing as low as their mower setting would go, and they were cutting it down just super short. And they said because they didn't want it to get so long in between cuttings, and they're trying to just delay how often they have to cut, but that they were flustered that the lawn was full of weeds. So when you're ideally bluegrass and fine fescue turf grasses that are the most common in our area, they like to be cut about 3 to 3.5 inches, which is quite a bit longer. A lot of people think that you need to cut it down to like golf course height, but 3 to 3.5 inches actually creates a much healthier turf. And what it does is it makes it so much more difficult for weed seeds to actually get established into your lawn and germinate and take over the lawn. So it creates its own weed prevention by being mowed at a taller height. And it's just overall healthier for the lawn. It helps cool the soil. It helps retain moisture in the soil. So if you've been mowing your lawn really short, and super short, as short as your mower will go, take a tape measure and not set that thing up a couple notches and measure underneath the deck from the ground, sitting on a level surface, and then measure from the surface to your blades, and make sure that you're not cutting any shorter than 3 inches at the minimum, especially during the hot, dry summer. You'll get much better results. You'll have a much healthier lawn for it. All right, take care.